YouTube, y'all, I'm coming to let y'all know, man, it's gonna get easier. It might not, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm not one of the people who gonna lie to you. It might not be. It might not be this year. It might not even be next year. It might not be in the next 5, nigga. Like, I swear. Like, bro, life is tough. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Do y'all see the prices? Shit, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Life's tough. But look. You just gotta keep going. Gotta have a plan. Just keep working. Like, yo. Like, I really like doing YouTube. Look. The reason why I started YouTube, nigga, I like being in the house. I love being in the house. Like, I don't even like going nowhere for real. So I was like, nigga, like, I feel like I'm pretty damn funny. So I was like, nigga, let me start YouTube. Like I'm in the house anyway. So so then I always felt like, man, if you got a plan and you got like a vision and you got like some type of hope, nigga, shit, like, you might as well take it. You feel me? Cause like, at the end of the day, who really gonna stop you when everything up here? Like, you got, all you need is a pen and some paper, and you can really make something happen. But y'all, what I'm trying to tell y'all is, man, no matter what you do, if you lucky enough, you might see success in the beginning. Like, you might start something today, you might take off. But most people, like, I might post this video right here that I'm recording right now. That whole might do 5 views, 6 views. Like, and that's cool. I just gotta keep going. I can't be like, yo, it's like, maybe I'm not meant for it. Maybe that. Hell no. Cause look, at the same time, I'm beginning. I don't even know what I'm doing half the fucking time, y'all. I just decide to record and jump into it, and now I'm at 300 subscribers. Like, nigga, it's crazy. It's crazy, but like, I'm already blessed. But bro, y'all came here for a reaction, so let me get done talking. I just want to let y'all know I love y'all, and that, like, not everything promised. So really, just go out here and try your best, and that's really all you can do. Really give it everything you got, and look, you might be at the top of the game one day. But I love y'all. Keep pushing. Let's go. We come with people versus nature, crazy weather caught on camera. So this is why I decided to click on this video, right? Cause look, it was just like 50, 40 degrees. Like, no, fuck that. It wasn't even 30. It was 20, nigga. It was 20 like 3 days ago. Now it's 80. I'm sweating, y'all. Do y'all see? Y'all see it? Bro, I'm hot in here. God damn. Anyway, let's get to the video. I'm hot as shit.
I'd like to report a light, sunny day
Breathing
today
heavy?
with light showers, maybe.
What the fuck?
Oh, get out! I got late!
Hell no. Boy, are y'all out of y'all goddamn... Hell no. Hey, hold up. As y'all can see, hold up. Let's do a quick scan. I don't see not one black person. Cause you know why? We ain't fucking stupid. Well, look. For another name, we can't swim. So look, this ain't smart anyway. Number 2, why is the water all the way back there? Where was it up here? Wasn't the water supposed to be up here? How is it back there? No, see, no.
Price it down!
See, look, damn it.
Oh, she's going. Oh.
Hey. What the?
Oh my god!
I'm confused. Oh, hell nah. Nah, you ain't getting nowhere in sand, bro. Shit! No. What are y'all doing? No. Bruh, God is throwing his balls at you. Pause. Wait, whoa. Like, for real though. Like, he really throwing everything he got. Like.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, Tarzan, bye-bye. Oh, no.
Bruh should be straight though. You know, he
The fuck was on camera? Yeah, one more time.
Nah, y'all playing. That is dangerous. This not funny. Like, hell nah, that shit is not funny. Water in the car, nigga? Ain't no way. Holy crap. See, bro, look at them balls, bro. Like, look how big they is. I'm not pausing no more. I'm tired. I'm tired of pausing. I'm not pausing. But just look how big
busted
them
my
balls is. Like, you can
window.
really see him. Like, far away. Like, what the hell?
Holy crap.
What you expect?
Oh my god.
Where is this, though? I hope he can swim. I hope he can swim.
Did you see that?
Oh, he can swim. Okay.
Did you just see that?
Nigga, are we riding through hell? Are we riding through hell? Or what the fuck? Is this the intro?
Father, please help us. Please help us to be safe.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. If you seeing that, you're in the entrance. Like, ain't no praying, ain't nothing getting. Hey, you're in the entrance of hell. What? Okay. Okay. I was worried that he couldn't swim. Like he got them rolling blades on. But what? There ain't no way I gotta pay that. Ain't no way. Get your ass. But ain't no. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. This pick not even finna be that hard. If you lose that camera, it's over with. Oh hell! Do you see how hot? No. If you lose that camera,
Oh my god.
nah, we don't even care about Shawty. Where don't we lose my camera?
He's ruining our house.
Do y'all know how much them cameras be
We've got
costing?
holes in the roof. Everywhere.
I like I
They
said
are the
roof.
size of baseballs.
See, bro?
Holy
Nigga, that got me. Nigga. What he just say, bro? That can't be English or he's speaking gibberish. One of the two. That was it. You got them. What? Hey, that ain't English, but I know he said, "Oh my gosh!" What? What is this? Oh, that's the wind. Nah, not the coffee. And she shut the door. That's That's crazy. That's wild. Nah. That's hope. Nah. What the? Like, I promise you, if I ever came across this, like, I promise you, I don't even go outside now. I promise you, I will never go back up. Are you putting groceries up? See, this normal down here though. Like this not even that bad. We experience this all the time. Not all the time, but most. Not the old lady. Oh, she's straight though. She's straight. Somebody help her pick up. Yeah, go pick her up. Is this house leaning or am I tripping? Yep, it was definitely leaning.
Jeez.
Yo,
That's gone.
you just like that, it's just gone? Like, if that could just be just gone, your house could be just gone. What the Nah, they bugging. See, look, I used to want a house by the lake, or by the river, or by the ocean. Bitch, what? Was that a gunshot? Do. What the? Hold on, it's right here. Bruh, that was like 3. On the, what the actual hell? Oh Lord, not with the kid, man. Tornado? I hate tornadoes, man. We stay getting tornadoes out here. Is that ice? What type of weather is this? I ain't gonna lie though, I want to get slushy after seeing this though. I think I want a red one. I ain't gonna lie, like, wait, when y'all go to the movies, do y'all be getting like the Coca-Cola slush? I hope he
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
Hey, your wife trying to tell you something. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
What is that again, honey?
I ain't seen no wife. God, yeah, bro, what the actual? Like, I would never, nah, no way I can do it, nah. See, y'all, when I think about the end times, I think of bullshit like this, and that's why I decide, like, yeah, I can't make it, man. Yeah, he can't swim for sure. Look at him. Yeah, what? Where is this? This is beautiful. Right, my boy just wasted a good bottle. What kind of? Wait, hold on. What is that? Is that Fiji? But you dumb as bro. Why you wasting Fiji? See? Man, there's somebody out there that needed that. That's why the good Lord is taking you now. You playing it. Y'all, just ain't no way. Just imagine this your house right here, and your ass getting drifted out to sea. What the heck? Cause it's not like you can leave your house. Where are we going? Wow. What?
Hang on.
Hey, bro, calm. Me, I was like,
Oh
God
my
damn it!
God. Oh my God, mommy!
Your mom cannot stop
Oh my
that.
God! Get Mike, look at your line.
Is that lava? Now this is kind of cool though. This is my first time ever seeing lava. Like real life lava. This crazy. It's not how I thought it was gonna be though. Earthquake. I never understood earthquakes. I don't even know I couldn't even imagine what an earthquake feel like. What the heck? Yup. To those who have experienced an earthquake, can y'all please explain to me how an earthquake feel? Damn. Nah, I don't even know. That's you, shawty. Like, is she good? Oh, yo, we had something like this. Nah, it wasn't no sand tornado. But yo, like one time we was on the beach and like it was raining crazy and like it was hail and everything, but I was getting slapped with sand. We should, hey, as black people, man, we should have known. Like we were just being slow. I ain't gonna lie. Like we saw the gray clouds, but we were still trying to have a little fun. Not the BMW. Hell no. Okay, I respect it. Y'all trying to close the doors. What the hell? What you doing now? You in the tent? I'm actually confused. What just happened? Oh hell no. Oh no. This like Sharknado. Y'all ever seen Sharknado?
That is incredible. As I've seen on
Let's
YouTube
look
when they've
like
been by lightning before, I've seen a trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real.
Yeah. I would look like to have like a picture like that here in my house. You gonna jump it though?
Are you okay?
What was the plan? You better hang on if you want to see tomorrow. What?
stupid.
Yo, something happened like that to me too.
I flooded the engine.
Damn it. See, yo, there was a time where like it flooded so bad over here that it did the same thing. It was over my hood. There was an 18-wheeler, motherfucker high as hell. He talking about keep going, nigga. Bruh, I was leaving work, right? And like I promise y'all, the water was over my hood, son. And bro just like, I'm like, I look back like it's dark, by the way. So, and like, yo, I hate driving at night. But look, I'm like, bro, what the? So I do like a whole reverse. I thought I was going to sleep in my car. My mom tried to come get me, bro. It was flooded in the neighborhood. She couldn't even get the. So like I had to go like stay at my auntie. Bro, I was pissed. Like I had to sleep in wet ass clothes. I was. But God bless. But then I called. Hold up, my bad. I know I'm pausing, but look, then I called my best friend like, yo, can I come over to your house? His parents gonna say no. I was pissed.
Oh boy!
Why you say like, oh boy? Oh boy. Whoa, that's like he's sick though. That's fire. This look tough. This is hard. It look dirty as shit though. Clean y'all house. Yeah, lock in. Oh, that's just stupid. Why don't you just get out the way? Y'all like that was just stupid. Y'all knew that was gonna happen. 2 + 2 = 4.
Holy shit.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know you did. What the? 200+ mile win-in? Look at Shawty in the back. This shit kinda tough though. Bro, what? What is going on? Is those bugs? Oh hell no. Is those bees? Oh, they fucking with you for real? Oh hell, that's my worst nightmare. Well, fourth worst nightmare. It's the avalanche. It's way thicker than I thought it was gonna be. Like, don't it look very thick, y'all? Look like clay. I can't even take it serious. I mean, I know I would if I was there.
Yo.
This nigga just, hey, what the?
No more marshmallows, man.
Don't worry, we have 2 packs.
For now? And like, and just because you got 2 packs, you gonna let that one slide? Me personally, never. Why does low-key look kind of fun though? I would probably want to go down there.
We tried to find the drains.
Like, man, see, that's why I need to move somewhere where like it don't really, like the weather's just always pretty much the same. I don't gotta worry about hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes. I really don't know which one worse. Like tornadoes pretty bad, hurricanes pretty bad. Like it depends what type of earthquake it is, cause the earthquakes can, it can really get terrible. Like hell, bruh. And also one of my worst ones is a tsunami. Hell, dude, what can you do? Like you probably can prepare for like a goddamn tornado, maybe a hurricane, and you can't really prepare for an earthquake, but a tsunami. Hell nah. But do y'all just imagine that big ass wave hiding in skyscrapers coming towards you? What you gonna do? You know, you can't do nothing. You know, we got sharks in there. They got all type of creatures and everything. Hey, that's good seafood for a couple months, but still, That's if you survive. But yo, I love y'all. The main message of this video, like that I want to really give out to y'all, is just keep pushing, keep growing, and keep going, like for your goals. Sometimes you gonna have to disappear for like maybe like a week, a month, to really just focus on yourself, and there's nothing wrong with that. You feel me? But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next video. We out.